Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Kongston Labs. In this episode, I'm going to be showing you something simple. I'm going to be showing you how to run Octoprint on an old Android phone. The instructions differ for every phone, but today we will be using this LG Rebel 4 available at your local Walmart. Not sure if that's the case anymore, but that's where I got this one. So, let's jump in. You might have to excuse the recording quality a little, but first, head to your phone's settings. Go to Search and type the word unknown. This should bring up Allow Unknown Sources or Install Unknown Apps. Now tap the browser and make sure it's allowed. Or, if you've already downloaded it, go to File Manager and make sure it's allowed. So, to download it, you go to your browser of choice and you type in github.com/feelfreelinux/octo4a. You will get to this page. All credit goes to Feel Free Linux for this excellent app. Scroll down until you see Download. Just so you know, you can read about the app here as well. Tap it and scroll down and tap octo4a-2.1.0.apk or whatever version is the newest. Now, I already have this downloaded, but we're going to download again so that I can show you to press Open and press Install. Press More Details and press Install Anyway. My screen recording just cut off there, so afterwards, just go to your app drawer and find the app. You can follow the instructions on screen, but just press Install Octoprint, press Allow. You can choose whatever, and just wait. This will take a little bit. After installing, you will see something like this, where it says, Octoprint is stopped. Tap to start the server. Before we do that, let us set up the camera server. Go to Settings, Allow, and scroll down. Make sure to enable the camera server and select the camera source as whichever one you wish. You can turn on flash if you wish, and rotate the image if you wish. Go back, and you can tap to show preview. Note, pretty sure this doesn't work because I'm screen recording. Anyways, tap start. This will take a couple minutes. Now that we're in the real world again, we can switch to a different device. iPads work, or anything, for that matter. Earlier, you saw an IP address next to the Wi-Fi symbol under Octoprint is running. That is your local address, and no, it cannot be used to dox anyone. So, type it in, followed by the colon and the port, basically everything that's listed, and press go. As you can see, we have reached the hello screen. Next, set a username and password of your choice, and press create account. You do need to remember these. Press next. You can enable this if you wish. I will. Press next. You can enable anonymous usage tracking. Press next. Enable login blacklist processing. Press next. Make sure that this matches your URLs or your phone's IP address. Press next. And set up your printer. You can name it anything. Put in the model as anything. I'm not going to touch that. You can define your print settings or your print volume. Make sure to select everything correctly. Press axes, these don't matter. Press hot and extruder. Make sure to configure those. Press next, and agree to all of these. Do note, there is a case, there are cases of 3D printer fires, and don't expose Octoprint There's like Octo Everywhere and a couple other plugins that you can use. And then press finish. And boom, we have Octoprint set up. Press finish. Press reload. This will happen multiple times just because of how slow it is. And once we're in the UI, we can go physically set it up. For physical setup, all you really need to do is to turn on your phone, open the app, and put it wherever your phone can see your printer. I already have this one set up here with a tripod and a USB OTG converter that you just plug in to your printer. So that's it. Thanks for watching this relatively short upload. Now, there have been many things that have occurred between the time frame of my last upload and this one. This printer has received a lot of upgrades and modifications, but now it's back to almost stock. Well, as stock as it can be, it's similar to the state in which it was in my last video featuring this printer. The Bamboo Lab P1S is still here and it's been working well. Other than that, thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe if you wish. I will see you in my next upload, where I don't know what time it will be uploaded.